Hey everybody, happy 2023. Hope your year's off to a good start. I want to address something that I said in the last video that I didn't really explain for those that don't do competitive shooting. I broke what's called the 180 rule. What that means is when you are moving up and down the stage, you have a 180-degree barrier that is following with you, and you're not allowed to bring your gun beyond that 180 degrees, otherwise you're pointing it in a not safe direction. Therefore, I was disqualified. This month's match was the standard qualifier, so I shot with a brand new gun, so let's see how I did. Are you ready? Stand by. 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 Are you ready? Stand by.